Hey guys, so in this video we're going to improve the product page for one of the brands that they are selling some cookies and stuff. And this video is going to be super useful for you if you own an e-commerce brand and you want to improve your conversion rate, because all these things that we're going to go through on this video are based on the best practice so that you can apply them on your Shopify store to increase your conversion rate. So without further ado, let's get straight to the thing. The first thing, when I'm on this product page, that I would change, I would slightly reduce this icon on top, not because they would look visually better, just because that way you will squeeze down this header bar a little bit, and that way you will manage to pull more important information top. There's just no need for it to be that big, but that's just a nuance here. And then the next thing that is kind of critical here is that, as you can see, when you're on their product page, there's literally no social proof at all above default, and that's huge. That by adding social proof, that would already increase their conversion rate, because social proof is a very important thing when you're making decisions to buy something. And I can see that when you scroll all the way bottom, there is some kind of social proof, but this is just not enough. It's okay to have it there, but you want to have stars, how many reviews, what's the rating and stuff, because that's what brings the confidence to your visitors when they are about to purchase your product. So that's the second thing. Now, it's a great thing that they have these kind of swatches with images. This is very good. It really helps with visually seeing what the variant is about. Then when they click on it, the image changes, which is also great. That's just the standard. And they have these wrapping options, which is actually very, very good. And that's a great job on that, because these things can just help you with increasing your average order value and profit margin. It costs like $1 or $2 for your customers to upgrade, to get the bag with the cookie and stuff. And for you, it's just a very low cost. If at least 30 or 40% of people do that, you will increase your profit margin significantly. And that's very good thing that they have it also here above the fold. So great job on that as well. Now, the thing that I don't like, when you scroll a bit bottom, you can see how add to cart button is just very hard to notice, very hard to find. It's just small, it's below the fold, you have to scroll all the way bottom. It just doesn't stand out. Even these quantity selectors are just standing out more than the add to cart button and all these things. There's really no reason why it shouldn't be full width, like all here, and like stand out more, maybe even some stronger color. This color is not that bad, but it just doesn't feel like it stands out. When you land on the product page, you should immediately see where you should click right. And another thing that you need to see above the fold when you're on the product page is the price. It's just way too low here. It should be somewhere here. When you land, you see what's the price, because that's what most people are interested in. You don't want them to find the price, you want it to show right up front so they know if this is too expensive, if the price meets their expectations and stuff. So for that reason, these two things could be definitely improved. Then since we are here, the next thing that they could improve is to add a bit more of credibility, trust seals and stuff. I saw when you scroll a bit bottom, you can see they handcraft all these, they personalize all these. They're delicious, I bet they are. But the thing is that these things are just way too below. These things could be somewhere like right below the add to cart button, because you want your visitors to see these things. Like 90% of people will not scroll past this point of the product page, and for that reason you want to put your most important information above the fold like these are. And for that reason, if they have had put their more important information on the top, they would definitely increase the conversion rate and therefore the revenue per visitor of their website. So yeah, that's super important thing that they should change. Then the last thing I saw for this website is that when you click the add to cart button, and you can see there's no checkout, you have to go to the cart and then you check out from there. Let's see how it looks like. So this is the cart drawer, as you can see. Then you go view cart. Then here, I understand why they don't have the checkout for their cart drawer, is because you have to select the delivery date, because these are cookies and stuff that you buy for, I don't know, some birthdays and some special occasions and stuff. But if you don't want your visitors to proceed from the cart drawer and you make them go to the cart drawer, then to the cart page and then to the checkout, There's just no need for that. What you should do instead is that when they click add to cart, you immediately redirect them to the cart page. There's literally no need for this cart drawer. And then from here, they can just go for select a delivery date, whatever, 23rd. And then they click on the start checkout and proceed with checkout. So that's just one unnecessary step, and most people when they click add to cart and they see this cart drawer, they really expect it to go to the checkout from there. And this view cart button is so low that I bet like a good percentage of people don't even realize it or miss it, don't click it. And at this point, when they add the product to the cart, this is where they abandon the process and they don't proceed to the checkout, which is the next step of the purchase. And if they don't proceed to the checkout, they don't buy your items. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful and you found some advices that you can pick up and apply to your Shopify store. Like and subscribe if you like more content like this. So see you in the next one.